All right, welcome to the hard hitter. How you all doing? Doing all right? Doing all right. For those of you who don't know, Cadre Ricky, will you do a quick introduction of yourself?
Hey, how's it going? I'm Cadre Ricky V. I just retired from the Army after 27 years. 18 years of that was in SOF and 1st Special Forces Group. I spent many deployments in combat in the Philippines, Iraq, and Afghanistan. My little brother is a retired Special Forces Team Sergeant. My cousin-in-law is a retiring Sergeant Major in Special Forces. And I've got a lot of family. My son's an airborne paratrooper, so I got family in the Navy, the Coast Guard, all that stuff.
If you haven't picked up by now, I'm the fucking easy cadre. Rick's the dick.
Stop fucking hopping up on your fucking pull-ups. Easter's fucking over. Peter fucking Bunny Rabbit left. You need to hurry the fuck up.
And hey, wait, don't turn that on yet. Yeah. That's it. Okay, really quick. I was about to say. Really quick, John. Are you not? None of this is classified, right? None of this is classified. It's commercially available equipment. Okay, cool. So what I'd like to do is let's put it all back in there. We got a you mind? We got a camera crew and just walk us through it again. Sure. Okay.
So reset.
You want to mic them up?
Yeah.
Am I good?
I walked right through. I also took a class across the brook. Give me just the time when all the components come together that the police pull up. That's a missile. That's some wires coming out of a box. That's a battery. It's not them, man. That's just some people smoking dope.
I got all the angles, don't you worry.
Told me one day this would happen.
Sends this for you.
Yes. Yes. Okay?
And so then they give everything to these two right here, right?
Yeah. They'll all come down and then they should test it and all that stuff. What time is it?
It is 7:30.
They have 15 fucking minutes. You have no clue what you're doing?
Oh, let's just take it. If they don't know what to do,
Let's go. Let's go.
Let's take it.
Let's go.
Simmer down, simmer down.
We just do packages. That's it. That's all we do. We don't know what we're
Big
doing.
fucking smiley face on my truck. You know, it says Prime.
He's an American. He thinks we're stupid.
Yeah. So we just think we're some dumb dudes? You get Ukrainian discount. But we're fucking Korean.
Big, stronger Americans, stronger Ukrainians too.
We're not Ukrainian. We're Korean. You must go away. You must go away.
We're walking along that ridge line all the way down to here, and we'll cross another hardball. Okay.
What's a hardball?
Road.
Okay.
Okay. This is hardball. Okay. Asphalt.
Is that too tight? Is that
No, it's good.
It's okay?
Yeah, totally fine.
You may think I'm always giving you the fucking answer, but it might not be the answer. Because I'm trying to teach you something, right? As leaders, is like fucking, you gotta think for yourself sometimes, okay? Dude, there's plenty of times where I was carrying like a 150-pound fucking ruck, dude, and I just wanted to fucking quit, you know, and just like, fuck, right? But we had to make a hit time. I just put my fucking head down and just roll, just move. You just gotta fucking work. It sucks, but work, okay?
Kevin's story was pretty fucking remarkable.
What story did he tell you?
About getting shot in
Yeah.
Afghanistan. All those guys dragging him out. Well, they all could have gotten shot too. And like,
Making people's day. Getting all those truck drivers freedom boners.
Nice job, you guys.
I'm more important than this guy. All right, I'll take the group. Now the professional.
So tell me the most embarrassing story about Kevin.
Do it.
So how did you meet Kevin?
Going live. Shut the door.